Imagine the night sky filled with billions of stars. But what if I told you, in about 4 billion years, the view from Earth will be drastically different? The Milky Way galaxy, our home, is on a cosmic collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. But what exactly will happen when these two giant galaxies collide? Let's start with the basics. The Milky Way, our galaxy, is around 100,000 light-years in diameter, containing over 200 billion stars, planets, and other celestial objects. It's a barred spiral galaxy with a beautiful rotating disk of stars and dust. And then there's Andromeda. It's the largest galaxy in our local group, and it's even bigger than the Milky Way, about 220,000 light-years across and home to over 1 trillion stars. But here's the twist. Andromeda is on a collision course with us, traveling at about 110 kilometers per second toward the Milky Way. The two galaxies are currently about 2.5 million light-years apart, but in roughly 4 billion years, they will meet. So, what happens when these galactic giants collide? First of all, don't worry. The stars within each galaxy are so far apart that they won't crash into each other. Instead, gravity will cause the stars to move in complex, chaotic patterns, forming tidal tails and creating a spectacular dance of celestial bodies. Imagine massive waves of stars, dust, and gas being flung into space. It will be like two cosmic whirlpools colliding and mixing together. Over time, the central black holes of both galaxies will slowly spiral toward each other and eventually merge into a supermassive black hole. Now, what does this mean for the future of the Milky Way? After the collision, the two galaxies will no longer resemble the spiral shapes we know today. Instead, they'll merge into a new, larger elliptical galaxy that astronomers have nicknamed Milkomeda. Stars and planetary systems like our own may be thrown into new orbits or flung into intergalactic space, but it's unlikely that our solar system will be destroyed. By the time the merger completes, the night sky would look very different, with Andromeda's stars lighting up the heavens alongside the Milky Way. So what about Earth and life as we know it? In about 4 billion years, Earth will face a far more pressing issue. The Sun will be nearing the end of its life cycle, expanding into a red giant and potentially making Earth uninhabitable. By that time, humanity may have already moved on to other planets or even other star systems. Galactic collisions are actually quite common in the universe. Our own Milky Way has likely absorbed smaller galaxies in the past, and the Andromeda Milky Way collision will simply be another chapter in the long history of cosmic evolution. So, while the idea of a galactic collision might sound apocalyptic, it's really just part of the natural life cycle of galaxies. The cosmic dance between the Milky Way and Andromeda will reshape the future of our local universe, creating new stars, new structures, and a new galaxy for future civilizations to explore. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing space content. Let us know in the comments what you think the night sky will look like in 4 billion years.